Every jar starts with fruits hand-picked from sunlit fields. Transport ensures freshness and efficiency in delivery. Everything moves methodically into the heart of the facility. Mechanical precision separates the best from the rest.
A controlled environment transforms raw harvests into quality produce.
Agitated water removes dirt while keeping cucumbers pristine.
Initial cleaning and sorting complete, the heart of production awaits.
Cucumbers meet brine, beginning their transformation into pickles. Circulation ensures uniform flavor absorption in every slice.
Soaking allows flavors to penetrate deeply, achieving signature taste. Pasteurization locks in flavor while ensuring safety for every jar.